Hey, what's going on, dudes and dudettes? This is Pip Surfer with another daily update for the Cowabunga system. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, 2008, and I hope you all had a great trading day today. We saw the cable drop some more today, and we were able to get I was able to get a small trade. You might have been able to get the same thing as me. Maybe you got something a little different. Hopefully, you all ended up positive on the pips, because that's ultimately what matters at the end. And also staying disciplined to both your trading system and your money management rules as well. So first thing I want to do is see if I haven't checked my blog yet, so let me see if there are any comments. Looks like there's one, and it is just okay. DZ, you letting people know there's a free website that offers text message alerts, alerteffects.com. Well, thanks for sharing. That had to do with yesterday's question about people wanting to set up alerts on their charts so that they could get alerted whenever there was a trade signal generated. So check out that site. I haven't looked at it myself, but go ahead and see how it does for you. And I'm just going to open up my charts. I have a 15-minute and a 4-hour chart. Let's look at our 4-hour chart for the trend. You can see late yesterday, we had a trend change candle that changed the trend from up to down. And if we look at the action for today, the trend remained down, so we only look for short trades today. Pretty simple. And now we're just going to move. I'm going to go to my 15-minute chart and move it back just before midnight. And first thing I'll do is open up my news. You can go to babypips.com. Click on this Tools tab right here. It'll bring up the news events for the day. And remember, we're looking at news that affects the sterling or the dollar, and you can see there wasn't really anything affecting us during our trading time. So really no news events to watch out for today, which is a rarity, but happens sometimes. So it makes it pretty simple for us. All we're looking is for short trades, and we have no times to really watch out for. So now I can just move forward and watch out for trades. Okay, and here we get our first crossover here at 12:45 a.m. Now we just got to look at our indicators, and RSI is below 50, stochastics trending down, and MACD has gone from positive to negative. This is a valid entry, and we would enter at the close of this candle at 71.74. Our stop is going to be our most recent swing high, right around 71.95. And our nearest 50 or 0 level is at 71.50. That gives us about 24 pips of potential profit. And that sounds pretty good to me, so I'll just let the trade run. You can see right here that our target was hit at 115. Price didn't make a clean break, so I went ahead and took my final profit. I managed to get out here at 71.55, so not right at 71.50, but pretty close. So positive pips, still can't complain. And if I just move this chart forward, you'll see that the price actually did continue to drop. Very nice. So I wasn't able to get any of that trade, which didn't like too much, but I can't complain because I did have positive pips. So when we're seeing this right now, you can kind of just sit at ease because we know the downtrend's continuing. We have to wait for a retracement before we can even think about re-entering. And here is our retracement right here at 9:15. So at this point, we can look for another crossover, and here we get it. We have it at 9:45. Let's just look at our indicators real quick. RSI is below 50. Stochastics hasn't quite crossed down yet. MACD is positive and losing value, so not quite a signal here. My stochastics aren't crossed over, so I don't enter this trade. Now some of your stochastics might have been different. Maybe you generated a signal, but I didn't get a signal on this one. And you can see that price did continue to drop. So I really only had one trade today, and that was a small one way back at 12:45. And it's a shame I missed out on a lot of this move. But like I said, kind of just got to go with it in stride, follow your rules. That's what I did, and I got a few pips out of it, and I can't complain. It's positive. And there will be other big moves that I'll be able to catch, so I'm not too worried about it. But that's pretty much it for today's update. I know it's kind of short. I'm usually rushing through these things, but if you have any comments or anything, feel free to leave it on my blog. I'll try to answer all your questions as best as I can. But other than that, stay true to your trading systems, stay disciplined, good money management, and I'll see you all on another day. Cowabunga, dudes.